Here is something that I've seen people do. However, it doesn't make a lot of sense to me. But if you have a good reason why you're putting plastic underneath the bathtub and then pouring the mortar on top of the plastic to provide support for the bottom of your bathtub, then I would love to hear the reason why. Feel free to share that with us in the comment area. And of course, I'm just talking about a regular piece of plastic. It could be 4 mil, 6 mil, and I've seen them cut into a variety of different shapes. Some of them are about this big, and it just doesn't make a lot of sense. If you have a situation where you have a concrete floor, I really don't know what it's going to be doing for you. I understand if you have a wood floor and you want to protect the wood floor with some plastic, I understand that. But I don't really see a reason why you would do it on a concrete floor. You have a concrete slab, just simply put the mortar on top of the concrete. And if you have a wood framed subfloor and you don't want to put the mortar on top of the wood framing, then put it on top of a sheet of building paper or even roofing paper. But this would be paper that would be water resistant and not waterproof, because waterproof materials will trap moisture, and it's really what you're not going to want here. And if you are using the plastic to protect the wood subfloor, then something like this would simply protect the area underneath the plastic, but it's not going to prevent the water from draining off of the sides of the plastic and ruining the wood framing around the perimeter of the plastic. However, that wouldn't be the case if you built some type of a tray, something that would collect the water from a water leak and then divert it to an area underneath the crawl space. But I don't even know if that's going to be a good idea, because now you're going to have moisture in the crawl space. And if this moisture accumulates, it could lead to wood rot, attract termites, and even create foundation damage due to soil erosion. And then, of course, how far up would you need to go with the plastic to protect the lumber by installing some plastic in between the bathtub and the wood framing? And I've never been a big fan of plastic. I see people use it, and I just see problems in the future. And I haven't found any building codes that suggest using plastic as any type of moisture barrier in the floors, walls, or ceilings. Yet I've seen it used there in plenty of videos and pictures on the internet. So if you do have the building code reference numbers, or you know why plastic is going to work better than water-resistant materials like building paper, feel free to share it with us in the comment area.